What was that?
Is that what you smoking?
So dudes, this is RC with my second moto vlog, and today I just wanted to talk about, I don't know, we're gonna see what fucking happens, but I wanted to mainly talk about why I started moto vlogging. Like, what are my reasons? Hola, senor. So what are my reasons to fucking moto vlog? To set everything off, since I was very little, I've always wanted a motorcycle. I was a fan of having a motorcycle, or wanting to have a motorcycle. You know, every Christmas I would ask my parents, "Oh, can you get me a dirt bike? I just want a dirt bike." Like, and my parents would be like, "No, you're gonna fucking kill yourself, fucking idiot." So I never got a dirt bike. But then, you know, I got older and I started working, and I saved up my money and bought me my first motorcycle. First motorcycle I've ever owned was a Suzuki SV650, and I bought that shit without nobody knowing. I kind of did it behind my mama's back. You know, it's better to ask for permission. I'm sorry, it's better to ask for forgiveness than ask for permission. So I gathered up my $1,200 and I was like, I'm gonna go buy that bitch right now. So went over there, met with the guy. Like, yeah, bro, here's the bike, you want to check it out? Like, dude, I don't know how to ride, but sure. I walked around it and I looked at it. I mean, I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, but I was like, yeah, dude, it looks fucking awesome. You know, you get that hype that you don't even know what you're doing, but you want it so bad that you're just gonna get it no matter what. And after that, gave me the keys. He's like, alright man, she's all yours. So I called up my dad and I was like, hey dad, I bought something, I need you to come help me pick it up with your truck. He's like, okay, what'd you buy? Don't worry about it, just get over here and help me pick it up, please. Alright, so he heads over there. As soon as he sees it, he's like, you motherfucker. Oh yeah, I know. So we loaded it up. He's like, he was telling me, man, your mom's gonna be so pissed at you. I was just like, I don't care. I'm not gonna be home. I'm gonna be riding this bitch. So a few years later, I decided I'm gonna go check out some Harleys. See what they got. So I go check them out. As soon as I walk in, I see her. The price was right for me. The bike is sick as hell. And I wanted it. And usually whatever I want, I fucking go and get it. Because that's how I roll. And at this time, you know, the guy's like, alright, well, let's run your credit through, see what the fuck you get. Or see how the fuck your credit is. And we'll go from there. Alright, cool. Run that bitch through. Alright. You have no fucking credit. I'm like, I know, I mean, I knew that, but I wasn't gonna tell him, like, I ain't got no fucking credit. Again, I called up my old man. I was like, yo, I need you right now. Head over to Harley Davidson. He's like, what are you doing? I told him I'm gonna buy a bike. He's like, oh, you crazy motherfucker. I'm like, yep, that's right. So he heads down there and he's like, which bike you getting? Oh, this one. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, hey, co-sign this for me and, you know, I'll be forever in your debt. Sure. Co-signed it. Next thing I know, I'm a proud owner of a Harley Davidson. I'm an avid YouTube watcher, YouTube user. I use everything. I use YouTube for everything. Like, oh, this shit broke. Oh, well, let's see if there's a tutorial on YouTube to fix it. Yeah, I would watch a lot of motovlogs. And I'm like, man, this shit is so cool. They just be riding, showing their city around, shooting the shit, and having a blast. I want to do that. Take your time, take your time. Fucking, there's no fucking cars here. Man, Popo's rolling hot today. Fuck. In my head I was like, man, I could fucking do that. I could be the next guy to do that. That's basically the only reasons why I started to motovlog. I liked it. I liked what I saw. I wanted to try it, so I fucking did it. And this only being my second motovlog, it's kind of cool. Like, I'm getting there, baby steps, I guess. I just wanted to have fun. That's basically it. I saw how much fun those dudes were having with it, and I wanted a piece of that action. What's up, man? And yeah, so far so good. It's barely my second one. I know it's gonna be some shitty ass videos before they get good, but still, you start somewhere. Baby steps, right?
Is that what you smoke?